For
This
me,
is episode 3 of our
by
online
continuing
podcast
what
for
I'm doing
RE1
kung anong
to
ginagawa
serve
ko
the Lord.
ngayon,
So, let's start.
mas
How do you
i-improve ko
serve
pa
the
siya
Lord? For
and
this first question, I
all
would like
throughout,
Aaron to
ano,
answer first.
habang buhay pa ako, magsiserve ako
Just
and
like
yun,
I've said in the previous
hanggang sa
video, doon
matapos ang
nasabi
lahat.
ko na nagsiserve kami.
Ikaw
And
naman,
yun,
Derek.
uh, for me,
Ah,
by
for me,
serving to others
pag sa
and
pagpag
helping
how do I
them,
plan to
parang
continue serving the Lord?
ma-up
Ah,
yung faith
plano
nila
kong
is
ipagpatuloy
a
ang
way to
pagse-serve ko
serve the
kay
Lord.
Lord kay
Kasi yun
like
nga, by
katulad
helping
ng
them,
kanina
by
sinabi ko
keeping them
like
up, hindi
joining
sila
the
sumusuko and yun, mas lalong
community
tumatatag yung faith
or
nila kay Lord.
activities sa church ganoon.
Derek?
La- for
Thanks.
me, just like the earlier
How
sa
do I
episode
intend to
2,
continue
I
serving the
serve the
Lord?
Lord by
Of
helping
course, by
people sa
being active
paligid
in
ko
that
like sa
Christian
family,
community,
friends at
being a good
community
example for
kahit sa simple
everyone,
na
having a strong
bagay
faith
lang
for God,
like
and
listening to
praying every
someone,
day.
giving time or
Um, I
volunteering.
I
Yun lang.
wanted to be
How
I
do I
wanted to
serve the
try to
Lord?
become a server one
Of
day
course, I serve the Lord by
because
helping other
going
people.
to church every day
Especially
they
on
always
school,
say
on
something about
outside, and especially of
wanting
course
to have a
in the
server
household with my family.
because I try to be
Um,
patient, serving is good,
Humble.
and understanding
I
for
intend to
everyone.
continue
Although it
serving
is
the
hard for
Lord by
me
staying
because of my
faithful to His
attitude,
word
but I try
and
my
living a life
best
that reflects
being like
His
that.
love and goodness.
Um, Seeing the actions I have done for God or for
Ako
the
naman,
Lord,
I plan to
I am
continue
probably
serving the
proud
Lord
of
by
myself
joining
because I
church
have
or
done
school
the
activities
things that I
that
probably
spread
don't
kindness. I
know that
also
I
want
will
to serve Him through my
have
action
done.
and the way I treat people. Serving God
I
helps me
serve the Lord by
grow as a
striving to
person.
live
Thank you.
according to His teachings and
Okay.
being a
So,
reflection of
for our
His
last
love and
question,
everything I do.
if di
I
mo pa
try
to
to help
nagagawa,
others in need,
how do you
share
plan to serve
kindness
God?
and encouragement, and use my talents and time to make
Aaron?
a positive
For
difference.
me, kung hindi ko pa siya nagagawa,
Ikaw naman,
siguro
Josh. How do you serve the Lord?
first step na gagawin ko
I
is,
serve the Lord by
ayun,
using my
yung
talents to
tulungan
make
muna
others
yung nasa
smile and by
paligid ko.
helping in a
Then
small way.
after doon,
Even
after
simple
nun,
acts
doon
like
na ako
sharing and
mag-reach
encouraging
out
others is
ng
a form of
mas
service. Yun
malaking
lang po, thank you.
organization na nagfo-focus mainly on helping others.
For
Para, yun,
the second
para mas
question, how do you intend to
maayos yung
continue serving the Lord?
pag-serve ko kay God.
And
How
how
important is
important
serving
is
the Lord
serving
for
the Lord
me?
for you?
It is probably very
Aaron?
important, of course. It gives
For
meaning to
me,
life and
by
happy
continue what I'm doing,
joy
kung
in
ano
our
yung
hearts,
ginagawa
our
ko
mind,
ngayon,
and knowing that we are
mas
part of His mission to
i-improve
spread
ko
and
pa
love and
siya
goodness.
and
That
all
is probably the
throughout,
greatest thing that
ano,
anyone could
habang
do
buhay pa ako,
because it
magsiserve
can't be
ako
bought.
and yun,
If I have not done it
hanggang
yet,
sa
how do I plan to serve the
matapos
Lord
ang lahat.
or God?
Ikaw
Mm,
naman, Derek.
by volunteering,
Ah,
becoming a
for me,
server, and
pag sa pagpag
using my
how
talents
do I
or
plan to
my
continue serving the
knowledge
Lord?
is
Um,
sharing it
plano
to the
kong
people that
ipagpatuloy ang
don't know
pagse-serve ko kay
the
Lord kay
things yet. You
like
know, I want to live in a way
katulad ng
that
kanina
others can see
sinabi
God
ko like joining
through
the
our actions.
community or activities
Ako
sa
na muna.
church gano'n.
Serving the Lord is very
Thanks.
important to me because it gives my life
You know,
meaning. It reminds me
how do
that
I
everything
intend
I
to
do
continue serving the Lord?
should be
Of
for
course,
His glory.
being
If I
active
haven't
in
done
that
enough,
Christian
I will keep
community,
finding ways
being
to
a good
share His
example
love
for
with others.
everyone,
Yun lang.
having a strong
Nice.
faith for
Ikaw
God,
naman,
and
Sachi.
praying every day.
How do you
Um,
plan to
I
serve God if you
I
haven't
wanted to
done it
be
yet?
I wanted to try to become a server
Serving the
one day
Lord is very important to
because
me because it
going to
is
church
a
every
way of
day
showing my love,
they always
gratitude,
say
and
something about
faithfulness to Him. It reminds me
wanting to
that
have a
my life
server
has a
because
purpose beyond myself,
um
to love others,
serving is
to do
good.
good, and to live according to His will. I intend to continue serving the Lord by staying
This
faithful to His
concludes the
word
last
and
episode of
living
our
a life
online
that
podcast for
reflects
RE1.
His love and
Thank you.
goodness.
Ako naman, I plan to continue serving the Lord by joining church or school activities that spread kindness. I also want to serve Him through my action and the way I treat people. Serving God helps me grow grow as a person. Thank you.
Okay. So, for our last question, if di mo pa ito nagagawa, how do you plan to serve God? Aaron?
For me, kung hindi ko pa siya nagagawa, siguro, ang first step na gagawin ko is, ayun, tulungan muna yung nasa paligid ko. Then, after nun, dun na ako mag-reach out ng mas malaking organization na nagfo-focus mainly on helping others. Para, yun, para mas maayos yung pag-serve ko kay God.
How important is serving the Lord for me? It is probably very important, of course. It gives meaning to life and happy joy in our hearts, our mind, and knowing that we are part of His mission to spread and love and goodness. That is probably the greatest thing that anyone could do because it can't be bought. If I have not done it yet, how do I plan to serve the Lord or God? By volunteering, becoming a server, and using my talents or my knowledge and sharing it to the people that don't know the things yet. You know, I want to live in a way that others can see God through our actions.
Ako na muna. Serving the Lord is very important to me because it gives my life meaning. It reminds me that everything I do should be for His glory. If I haven't done enough, I will keep finding ways to share His love with others. Yun lang.
Nice. Ikaw naman, Sachi. How do you plan to serve God if you haven't done it yet?
Serving the Lord is very important to me because it is a way of showing my love, gratitude, and faithfulness to Him. It reminds me that my life has a purpose beyond myself, to love others, to do good, and to live according to His will.
This concludes the last episode of our online podcast for RE1.